Hey, do you have a problem with the quality of leads that your advertising and marketing is generating? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why and really how to fix it. Hey, my name is Chung Tang with More Customers Online and AUMclients.com, where I help financial advisors get a consistent flow of qualified leads for their financial planning and portfolio management services. You can find out more about that at AUMclients.com or watch to the end of this video. But right now, let's actually address the topic, or more specifically, the issue of lead quality. So I hear a lot of advisors, on forums and Facebook groups and things like that, saying that the quality of leads that they're getting just isn't up to par. Whether they're buying leads or they're advertising doesn't really matter. And so what you want to understand really in this video is that there are really three stages that need to happen in order for a prospect to be considered a high quality lead. Okay, and so the way you want to look at it is when someone books an appointment with you, right? What they've essentially done is they've raised their hand, right? They've raised their hand and said, yes, I'm interested in sitting down with you or having that initial conversation to see if and how you can help me. And then when they become a client, they're basically shaking your hand, right? It's a handshake where whether it's virtually or in person, they're shaking your hand saying, yes, let's do business. Yes, you're our advisor. Right. But what happens between them raising their hand and then them shaking your hand? Well, what typically happens is not a lot happens. It's that the prospective client, right, raises their hand, and then the advisor almost just thinks that they're automatically going to shake their hand. Like there's not a lot of hand holding in place. And so what's actually missing in most advisors' marketing program, marketing system, is there's no hand-holding process. So what I mean by hand-holding is what are all the materials, the marketing, the things, the follow-up, the calls, the text messages, the emails that need to go in place to quote-unquote hold a prospective client's hand from the time they raise their hand to the time they shake your hand and decide to do business with you. If you're not getting the quality of leads that you want, right, then lead quality isn't a matter of someone didn't book a call. If they booked a call, they've raised their hand, right? And so now it's your job, right? It's your job as the advisor to hold their hand throughout the entire process until they're ready to shake your hand. And whereas most advisors, someone raises their hand, they don't become a client, and they say, yeah, low quality. Like that's basically like saying to your spouse, if you're married, hey, yeah, our relationship is low quality. She's gonna be like, he or she's gonna be like, what specifically do you mean our relationship is low quality? Like, what are you not getting that you want to have, right? And it's the same thing with when you're generating leads as a financial advisor. You want to make sure you're holding the prospective client's hand once they booked an appointment. All right, you need to hold their hand throughout the entire process until they're ready to shake your hand and say, yes, you are the advisor for us. So if your lead quality is low, I can guarantee you that you are doing a terrible job at holding the hands of these prospective clients to help them actually become clients. If you fix that, if you fix the hand holding process, then your quality of leads will go up because more of those prospects who raise their hand will actually shake your hand and become clients. Now, with that being said, if you're getting people who book an appointment with you who have no money to actually hire you, who don't have the resources to hire you, then yes, that is a lead quality, right? But if they're a fit on paper, like if they fit if they have $500,000 or $1 million in investable assets, and they are looking for an advisor, or they're not happy with their existing advisor, right? Then on paper they are a fit. Then really it's your job is to have a hand-holding process in place that gets them from raising their hand to shaking your hand. So I hope you found this video helpful. My name is Chung Tang with AUMclients.com. If you want more information on how to really increase the quality of your leads so that more of them turn into appointments, and you really want a process to get people to raise their hand, hold their hand, and then get them to shake your hand, then go to aumclients.com. You'll be able to learn more about how I can help, and actually you'll be able to book a consult there where we can take the next step. Okay, so thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.